A pleasant and cheerful good morning, children. Today, I have come up with a new topic lens. So, in the last sessions, you learned about the mirror, right? The mirror will be one side opaque and other will be polished, which act as a reflecting surface. But here, the lens are the transparent material bound by two curved surface. So, how many curved surface? By the two curved surface, or sometimes by one curved and one plane surface. So the lenses are variety, but in this session and in your book they have given about the two main types of lens. One is convex lens and one more is concave lens. So what is actually a concave lens and convex lens? How can we differentiate it? Yes, obviously by touching it. See, if you look at the convex lens, it's very thinner at the edge. This is the edge, right? So both the edges, they are very thin, but here in the middle, they are thick, right? But in case of concave lens, the lenses are very thicker at the edge. Here at the edge, they are very thicker, and in the middle, they are thin. Fine. Lenses have a wide range of application in day-to-day lives. See, lenses are very useful. They are used in camera, telescopes, microscopes, and even spectacles. In fact, even while you are seeing or watching this video, you use lens. You will have a question, right? Yeah, you see using your eye. So we have natural lens. Yes. Okay, fine, children. Now let us learn what is convex and concave lens. Fine. So when you see the pic of this convex lens is also said to be a converging lens. Now by seeing the pic, you can find that why it is said to be converging. So when a parallel beam of light passes through the convex lens, it bends inward. Now you will have a question, what is this bend inward? So actually bending is said to be refraction. What is it said to be? Refraction. Spelling is refraction. Refraction. It is not reflection, children. It is refraction. Okay, fine. What does refraction refers to? Refraction refers to bending. What does it mean? Bend. So when a light passes from one medium to the other medium. So here what is a medium? So glass is a type of one type of medium, and air. From air only light ray enter into the glass. So the air is a other type of medium. So one will be very closer, that is thicker, and one will be the molecules will be very less. So that we say as a rarer medium and denser medium. So what you say is a rarer medium and denser medium. So either you can use from one medium to the other medium or from rarer to the denser. In case of convex lens, when a parallel beam of light from an infinity position, that is a sun ray from a far away, so when it just enters from the air medium to the glass medium, they refract. Refract refers to the bend. Where do they start to bend? At the pole, at the center of the lens, they start to bend. Mostly this convex lens, they bend inward. They bend inward and they start to focus at this point, and all the ray, they meet at a point, they converge at a point, and they form the image, right? And this type of lens is said to be converging lens. But in case of concave lens, see here, when a parallel beam of light, they pass inside the lens, they bend outward, and we ourselves, we just make appear like they are forming an image. So here is a point where the image is formed, and as they are bending outward, that is, they are dispersing outside. This type of lens is said to be dispersing lens, okay, or diverging lens. Fine. So here is one more point you have to keep in mind. The shorter the focal length, more the powerful lens. What is the focal length? I have already explained you the distance between the pole and the focus. So where is a pole? Here is a pole, and here is a focus F, the focus point. So the distance between this and this, that is the between the center of the pole to where it is converged, and this length is said to be focal length. Okay.